To export a list of Jira issues to Excel, first collect them in the Issue Navigator. Then open the Export menu of Better Excel Exporter. Just click on the larger Excel icon. Select the Excel Export option, and your Excel spreadsheet starts generating right away. Once it's ready, you can open and work on it or share like any other Excel file. The columns are exactly the ones you selected in the Issue Navigator screen, and the data types are also correct. Dates are date types and numbers are numbers in the format that makes sense for your business needs. And the template also uses native Excel functions to sum up story points or make other calculations on Jira issues. Better Excel Exporter Cloud provides a dedicated option for exporting Jira Cloud comments. Issue comments are not stored in Jira custom fields like many other Jira data, so you can't display them in the Issue Navigator. JQL is not your friend in this case. You need some extra logic the Better Excel Exporter Cloud brings. Let's look at an example. Pull up the issues in the Issue Navigator that you want to export with comments. Open the Better Excel Exporter menu by clicking the larger Excel export icon here. Select Comments, Current Fields, then open the exported Excel spreadsheet. The way this export type differs from a regular issue export is that it adds 3 extra comment-specific columns to whatever was selected in the Issue Navigator. In this example, the selected fields from the Issue Navigator end here, and the last 3 are for Jira issue comments: the comment author, comment time, and the comment itself. It's a quick and easy way to export Jira issue comments to Excel or make issue comments a part of a more complex Jira Excel report. Use this export option as it is, or grab the Excel template and customize it to your exact needs. Navigate to the backlog view of your Jira project. Here you may have issues already organized into future sprints that you will find in the top. You can export these by opening the 3-dot menu right next to the future sprint and selecting Export Excel. But to export the issues down below, truly in the backlog that haven't been organized into future sprints, find the main 3-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Export Excel and choose the export option you need, preferably Excel Current Fields. When your backlog export has been generated and downloaded, you can open it up. The issues from the backlog are exported and all their data types are correct. Dates are dates, numbers are numbers, and the template even uses native Excel formulas to calculate sum of story points or total number of issues exported. If you want, you can grab this template and modify to add more calculations and logic depending on your exact needs. Finally, let's see how we can create a more complex Jira Software Excel report using issues in open and closed sprints. I collected issues from 2 projects here in the Issue Navigator. Let's create a Jira Software report. Open the Better Excel Exporter menu and choose the Jira Software Report option. When it's ready, open it up. The Jira Software Report comes with pre-built pivot tables and charts, starting with analysis of story points per issue type. The pivot chart also visualizes the distribution of story points per issue type and status, color-coded for different projects. Going further, you get a pivot chart for assignees and distribution of story points across them by project. Epics got their own part of the report, making it easy to compare epic sizes and their current statuses. Similarly, you can also get a clear picture of how your sprints compare with this pie chart for story points ratio per sprint. The last tab contains the source data, where all the pivot charts and tables are feeding their data from. And don't forget, this is a built-in report, so you get this ready-made with the app, no additional work needed.